Just coming up to one of my favorite little back road spots here. My favorite little curvy roads. Something really gratifying about this road. It's just a short stretch. It's just beautiful. Some old houses up here. One of the beautiful things about Michigan. Some of these back roads like this. Nice and scenic, quiet, really relaxing place to just cruise. It's one of the things I love about a C4, you know. We kind of, they're so cheap, we forget what they were. When this car was new, man, this was, especially the LT4, this was pretty world-class performance at the time. You know, you're talking 330 horsepower in 1996. It's right up there with the NSX, the Super Turbo, the 300CX, the RX-7. I mean, yeah, it was a little slower than the V8 Ferraris at the time, like the 355. It was just as quick as a 348. I mean, we forget what these were. This car new was $40,000, just a touch under, because it's a base model. It's just a touch under. It's the equivalent of 78 grand today, you know. The price these go for, they're just a blast. If you can put yourself in the position of 1996, really think about what this was then. I'm old enough to remember when this was the contemporary Corvette. It was for most of my childhood, till I was about 12 years old, when the C7 or the C5 info kind of started hitting the scene. So it's a nice car to hit the back roads in and just kind of put on some music you like from the era, 96, like, I don't know, some Sublime, put on some 311, some Rage Against the Machine, Tool. You know, the Anima album. There's a lot of good stuff from that era. Some Alice in Chains, whatever. And just go for a cruise, you know. And I don't know, you know, Clinton was in office. Yeah, maybe he wasn't a good president, but he was cool. 96 was a good time. I used to get pizza at this very place in 96. This is a Doster store in Plainwell, Michigan. They've been making pizza forever. Still do. Alright, well, I was just going for a quick ride on one of my favorite little roads here, and I thought I'd share. But yeah, man, if you've got, you know, if you've got a favorite back road of your own, feel free to comment. It's just a short little video. Encouraging everybody and reminding everybody, get out there and hit a back road and have some fun in your hobby car or your daily. You know, that's what it's all about. If you're not enjoying them, what's the point, man? Get out there and drive. Have fun. And thanks for watching.